This whole area is receiving a renaissance in Kansas City. A lot of these properties are being
So this came out good, huh? I haven't even been in here in a while, so I had my wife pick up all the finishes and stuff like that. This is.
Do you kind of do the same thing too, where you skew everything, meaning like?
You know what? We do a little bit more custom, unless we're doing like a really easy house. But all the colors are the same. We use a lot. We'll use a lot of the same stuff. But right now we're not going like 20 flips at a time. We're doing like 3 or 4, so you don't need to go that much. My wife likes to pick it out. I don't mind.
Why'd you guys go with shelves instead of cabinets for the kitchen, for the uppers?
Did we do a pantry in this one? There's a pantry back over there, so it's just cheaper. People like it. Yeah, if you get what I'll usually try to do is I'll try to find a pantry area. We got a big old pantry over there.
Okay.
It's just
didn't need it, cheaper.
People like this stuff. Honestly, it looks people buy more with like.
In my head, I was thinking where the cups go.
Right.
And
so they could go on that.
Yeah.
These are good. So these will have floating shelves.
Yeah.
Right. So they can put them on there and.
I'm too disorganized for that.
Probably should put one right there though, huh?
I don't know. I've always. I like the floating shelves, but I've had a lot of people.
Yeah.
Some people like it, some people don't.
You know.
I'm just curious why you picked that way.
We do stuff all the time, and if we have to readjust, we'll try something else. But this was just a big kitchen, and so my wife picked out everything. And yeah, this is like a fire damaged one.
Was it?
Yeah, upstairs mainly. The big negative here is the street, so we'll build a privacy fence right there so they can't see it. And the other negative on this one is I took a little bit of a risk because it's like the biggest house on the block. It should sell for like $380 to $420.
Nice. It's weird that the furnace is in this little closet, not the basement.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's a cool house.
Yeah, it's not bad. Cool. Yeah, no.
Do you guys buy the unfinished cabinets off like Facebook or something? Or do you guys...
No, we usually buy from Home Depot. I think probably something like this is probably like just for that stuff, like $2,000, maybe $2,200 for everything.
Is the trim like a mix of old and new, or is
Yeah,
it all...
old and new. All right, let's rock and roll. Let's go to the next stop.
What do you put carpet in the basement?
What's that?
What do you put carpet in the basement?
Oh, we haven't done it yet. I haven't even been down there. I don't even know what's down there yet. We do carpet the basement.
How many square feet is this house? Do you know?
It's like 23 or 2,400 square foot.
I mean, this looks like an area that's been flipped. Like this.
Yeah, the only problem is it's the biggest house in the area. That's the only negative. And I'm on the street, so I got to build a privacy fence right there. And then.
Is this a house that you like? Is going to be a good deal for you, think, or is
Nah,
it one that you're like?
I think the interest rates. I think I'm going to have to hold on to it a little bit, but we'll see. I'll pop it up there, and we'll see what happens. And if not, I'll just keep rolling. Yeah, this is one of our students' befores. We found it for him, and yeah, and this is Ryan and Jeff's.
Oh, cool.
This is the after. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm like this.
Ryan, Jeff, you guys lead right here. All right, so what's the plan here, guys?
Yeah, so in here we're going to demo out this wall right here, and this is all going to become kitchen. So there's going to be an island here with seating to make up for the dining room.
No, that's the much smarter play.
I think so too.
100%.
That way the fridge isn't way on the opposite side.
100%.
We'll do the pantry over there. So we'll go pantry, base cabinet, stove, vent hook, cabinet, dishwasher, sink base, stretcher cabinets.
Jeff's doing this. How long do you think this is going to take you, Jeff?
5-6 weeks.
5-6 weeks. And when are you going to start this one, like full tilt?
Power's coming in this next week.
Okay.
We have to get the AC sent, and then we have to finish up our scope finalization. But within the next week and a half, we should be over here.
So
This is where most of our money's going, though. Is
Right
into
into
this.
that in the basement probably.
Yeah, basement
So
for
with
sure,
this,
mechanicals.
we're closing up that window, and we're going to find a way to open this up that isn't stealing too much away from the living room in order to let that light come through.
So we've talked about a couple options, Troy, of either taking this entire wall out and cutting a hole, like
Not
a pass
completely,
through,
but
make it feel a little more
half
close
wall.
that up, maybe a pass through something. It's just going to come down to money.
I would open the whole damn
I would
thing
love
up.
to. That's ideal for us.
I mean, you still got a wall for TV on that wall.
Yeah.
Testy.
That closet, there's.
Yeah, the closet's in a horrible spot in the front, but we'll ignore that.
Yeah.
So yeah, that doorway will get kind of moved to this wall right there in the same corner. We'll just move it to there and open it about 4 feet, and then make this a half wall the rest of the way over.
Yeah.
That way we still have a space for a couch or something on the back side, open all the way through. Long island here, 4 seating spots. And yeah, big kind of galley kitchen.
You guys are refinishing the hardwoods?
Yeah.
That was a big win for us. Is he came here earlier this week and demoed a lot of the flooring out because we had a lot of LVP and other vinyls tucked around, right? And we found original wood floors all throughout the house. So we'll probably, you said you wanted to put wood in here as well.
I would.
Yeah, so we're going to
Absolutely.
demo out this plywood and we'll lace in the hardwoods here.
Yep.
That way we can refinish this thing rather than doing LVP everywhere. Or
Way better.
Yeah.
and it'll save us about $1,000 from doing an engineered floor.
And people will like it better.
Yeah, and it's just a better look.
And
saves
the-
us a week. You know.
And the reason you want to do one floor on a small house is it makes it look bigger
Yeah, it's more consistent.
versus
throughout.
chopping it up.
So our big question mark is this wall right now, then the sewer scope. We're still waiting to get that final information.
I
doing
say
tomorrow.
once you made that move, knock the wall out.
Yeah, we won't probably go 100%.
Yeah, I don't think
we-
the 100, but you
Yeah,
know.
yeah, we're gonna open it up to some form. I
That's
have to see what's in there.
Having, right? If we take it to like this outlet switch right here,
Yeah.
then at least the fridge can butt up in that corner. You said pantry next to it.
Fridge would be right in the doorway facing this way. But yeah, then opened up here.
Yeah,
I think
so
that's
the
a
wall
better
would
fit.
come to what here, this outlet switch?
Yeah, I think so.
I think that's perfect. So now we can have a lot of our bigger
The media appliances
this
are
way,
all here, yeah.
Are we still getting rid of that window?
We'll get rid of the window and then put the pantry over there.
As far as permits go, how is that down?
Yeah, we're not doing anything structural unless we do something with that wall, and then we'll discuss it then.
The key thing is getting the power on.
Right.
And then you're out of the clear. Because what the city requires is,
Wiring, but it's
if the power's been off for a long time,
yeah.
they're going to require an inspection.
So we're doing a
So
200
that's
panel
going to be if you can get the power on, nobody else is bothering you.